This is a demonstration of the installation in the Ford Fusion vehicle. This particular one is a hybrid. The installation for the hybrid and non-hybrid will be the same.
Plug here. The 2 screws here.
To gain access to the screen in the rear of the radio, we're going to remove this top panel. There's several steps involved in that, and we'll go through those one at a time. And the panel will partially lift.
That's what's holding it.
Holding this top panel is a strap we're going to release. I'm going to let you visualize what we're going to do here. That white pin that you see there, that's part of the strap. It's released from underneath the dash. That was the reason for taking off the panel earlier, and we'll demonstrate how that's accomplished. Okay, coming down underneath the dash, this is on the driver's side. Going from the bottom. Take a picture of the strap. You can see it with the nut holding over the top of the bolt. Let me point to it here with the tool so you can see what we're going to be removing. It would be this nut right here to release this strap. We have it loosened now, so I'm just going to spin off this nut. Now we've got it completely pulled free. And as we pull the top panel, you see the slack come loose on it.
Okay. Pop this back in. This thing's always popped out. Okay. Okay, now there's the panel pulled free, and this is the strap that you've gained that's allowed you to get access. Sure. That goes to here. And then all we needed to do is get to those bolts.
Okay. Okay.
And then we can unclip the plugs and move it out of the way.
Move the screen assembly first. Pull the radio free to expose the connectors in the back. The Lockpick harness is just a simple T-harness, plugs in and out as described in the installation manual. Okay, it's a quick demo before we reinstall the panels. Currently we have a DVD in the player, and we are in Drive. This is a standard blocked screen. I'll go ahead and unblock that. And now the picture has been lockpicked. Fully open, fully enabled. I can restore back to regular factory operation. 2 times in the power button. Now you're back to the regular block screens. This vehicle is equipped with a factory rear view camera. We'll go ahead and demonstrate that. Place the vehicle into reverse. You can see its operation is completely unaffected by the installation of the lockpick. Put it back in Drive again, and we can activate that rear view camera anytime we want to using the steering wheel buttons. As described in your installation manual, press the button on the steering wheel, you hear a beep, and there's the rear view camera. Factory in this case activated. This will operate while in drive and while in motion. You can restore the radio back to its original operation again. Press the button on the steering wheel again, hold it till it beeps. Now you're back to regular radio. As described in the literature, you can also activate the address input while in motion. In this particular case, you use the hang up button on the steering wheel. Just press it till it beeps. And all operation for address input is fully enabled while in motion and while in drive. Turn it back off again. Just hold it till it beeps again. And that restores you to standard operation for your nav system. So it gives you the ability to at any time enable address input on command while in motion, while in drive.